Telfar. Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am unboxing my Telfar. My Telfar bag. If you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Now that that's done, let's go. So I just got something in the mail and I'm so excited. Like, I'm so freaking excited. So I just got my first Telfar bag, a Telfar. Yep, a Telfar. I need to stay off of TikTok. But anyways, yeah, my bag just came in the mail. This is the box that it comes in. I just only opened up this part so I won't be struggling trying to open it. So I just got that part out of the way. I did not open it officially yet. So this will be my unboxing. Like, y'all will see my true reaction and everything to me opening up this bag. So if you guys don't know, Telfar is a Black owned company. They sell hats and do-rags and purses and other things. So yeah, this is my second Black owned purse. If you guys have not seen my first unboxing video of my first Black owned purse, definitely check it out. I will be linking it up above in the cards for you guys to see. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. So first things first, I ordered my purse on January 28th and it came on February 2nd. Shipping was super fast. The thing about this company is, for their purses, I think since they are like high in demand, they're always sold out. So the company, they like push out, I think, 1 or 2 bags a week. So you have to make sure that you sign up for their subscription on their website, and also follow them on Instagram so like you can keep up whenever they're dropping like a new color for the bag. I know when I ordered my bag so the week that I ordered my bag, they had 2 color bags get pushed out for that week. I think it was the cobalt blue. Yeah, it was cobalt blue and the color that I got. So yeah. I'm excited to open up my bag, and yeah, let's just go ahead and open up my box. Y'all, I can't believe like I'm actually about to open this box. Woo! Okay, so I just opened up the box and I'm just gonna toss it to the side. So when you get your bag, so that's it comes in this plastic so it could be nice and protected. And why is my little plastic thing not opening? Y'all. I can't make this up. Like, my plastic. Y'all, the freaking thing to open up this plastic bag just like literally slid right off. So probably gonna have to get some scissors to open up this bag. But anyways. Or maybe this. Okay, I just pulled it apart. So when you get your bag, it comes in this cute little Telfar dust bag. And now for the grand opening. I would tell y'all to guess the color that I got, but y'all already gonna see it in my thumbnail. So anyways, I got the color tan. And this is what she looks like. Super cute, super sleek. It's vegan leather. And oh, this smells good. Y'all, I really like this bag. I've been looking for a bag this color. And it just makes sense to get one from a black owned company. So yeah, I got 2 and 2. I don't understand what I'm saying right now. I'm just so freaking excited. But yeah, I really wanted a color bag like this, and I'm glad I got my hands on it. The next color that I want to get from this company is the white bag. I just think it's so cute and like classic. Like, I don't own a white purse, and I never owned a tan purse, but now I got me a tan purse, and it's just, it's giving what's supposed to give. So the bag does come with a large strap, and it comes with a handle. So if you want to wear it like this, or if you want to hold it like this, you can. So the bag size that I got the medium bag size. They do have a small, the medium, which is what I got, and they also have a large bag. So yeah, so you could tuck the straps inside the bag if you don't want the straps hanging out or anything, and if you want to hold it by the handles, you can do that. So it can look like this. I mean, I'm pretty sure it'll look better than this, but I just put it in there just to show y'all an example. So yeah, but when you look inside of the bag, this is what the inside looks like. Nice fabric here, and then it has their logo on the inside there, and then there's a pocket right here with a zipper, and it's nice and deep, so that way you can put like your keys, your phone, lip gloss, hand sanitizer, because you know we in the middle of a pandemic. Put whatever you need to put inside that part there. And yeah, this is the back of the bag, that's the front of the bag, and this is the tag. Y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I'm just so freaking glad that I have this purse. Oh, another thing that came in the mail, I got it to go inside of my purse. It's a purse organizer. I got this off of Amazon. This is what it looked like. So yeah, I hope it fits, because if not, I'm returning it. So I'm gonna try it out and see. And it does fit, and it also has like a, leave the bag with a nice shape. It could still bend on the sides here, so there won't be like, you know, anything. So you have like a nice little foundation at the bottom, whatnot. So the purse organizer does fit. If you guys are interested in this purse organizer, I'll leave it inside of my Amazon store, which will be linked inside the description box below. But yeah, guys, I'm so freaking excited. I cannot wait until they have a restock for the white one. Oh, speaking about restocks, y'all, let me put my purse to the side. Y'all, whenever they have a restock, make sure that you set an alarm for like 8:59, 8:58 Eastern Standard Time, and make sure that you have your website loaded on your phone, your laptop, your tablet, whatever you plan on purchasing this bag on, because these bags, they go super fast. Like, when I secured my bag, I woke up at 8:59 in the morning. I had my card like literally right next to my phone. I had the website pulled up, and as soon as 9 o'clock hit, I refreshed that screen, checked out. And as soon as I checked out and I went back to the screen to like look at the other bags, y'all, kid you not, this bag, the medium size, was sold out in 4 minutes. The small was sold out in 5 minutes, and in 8 minutes the large was sold out. Y'all, this is not a game. If you want one of these bags, you better make sure that you be on the ball, because people ain't playing with y'all, and it's not gonna take their time. So yeah. So make sure you secure the bag if you really want this bag, because I'm telling you now, these bags sell out super fast. As soon as they drop, they gone. Well, that was my experience with the tan bag, but I'm pretty sure the other colors sell out this fast too. So I'm trying to let y'all know. Okay, so y'all better be listening for real, for real. So I do have one more bag on the way from another black owned purse company. So definitely stay tuned for that. All right, y'all, so that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing my black owned purse. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like smash that like button right now. Also, leave me a comment inside the comment section. Do you guys plan on copping this bag? Do you guys plan on securing this Telfar bag? Like, let me know in the comment section down below. Like, let your girl know, period. But anyways, if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.